don't deserve my wife and children. I don't deserve to live in your land, to learn your Torah, to be a member of a yeshiva, to speak to you at all, to ask to hear the voice of your truth. But you have given me all this. How can I repay? How can I do something to return your kindness? Thank you for my health, heart, brain, eyes and ears, nose and limbs. Thank you for the teachers you have sent on this journey, the rabbis, the saints, the hidden ones, the humble and simple and pure people who fill this nation. Thank you for the desire for purity, the hope for redemption, the vision of tomorrow, the prophecies past and present, the clean air, the water, the good neighbors, the friends, the very soil we walk upon, the trees, flowers, and birds, even the insects. Quickly we realize nothing is without its gratitude. Thank you, Father, for this chance to talk to you, that my words enter your heart.